Here at Precision Imports, we service all types of vehicles, European, domestic, foreign. With qualified technicians and plenty of experience, they're able to diagnose those tricky cars and just simple oil changes as well. We have capabilities of smogging your vehicle, looking into the brakes, taking a look at all the specific needs of your vehicle, and we know what it takes to make sure that car is safe for you to drive.
We are Precision Import Auto Repair, and your vehicle is in good hands.